the most fun 10 acres in all of golf? We're here at the home of American golf, Pinehurst, the Cradle Course, and we're gonna go find out. Pinehurst. Just saying that out loud gives us goosebumps.
Pinehurst consists of 10 18-hole golf courses and one 9-hole short course, what people call the most fun 10 acres in all of golf, the Cradle.
But we've also been told that the Cradle might be the most challenging, so we had to find out for ourselves.
Before we even touched the club, it already felt special.
We checked in at the Clubhouse and headed straight to Maniac Hill. Imagining all the legends who've stood on this range. Jones, Hogan, Snead, Palmer, Nicklaus, Tiger, and of course, Payne Stewart.
No pressure, just casually trying to channel a little of their greatness.
And those Titleist range balls gave us way more confidence than they should have, or than we deserved.
Then it was over to Thistle Dhu, Pinehurst's famous putting course.
The name comes from Thistle Dhu, which honestly feels like one of the most understated reactions in golf history. Nice.
James tried recreating the Payne Stewart pose.
And of course, we took a ton of pictures of Putter Boy. We always think that you can measure the greatness of a golf course by how nervous it makes you.
At St. Andrews, James couldn't even see the huge fairway on the first tee.
And I still don't remember the first few holes at Royal County Down.
Standing on the first tee at the Cradle, we had the same feeling.
Not fear exactly, just respect. We heard that the fewer clubs you bring to the Cradle, the cooler you are. So I brought 2 wedges and my putter.
And I brought a pitching wedge, a sand wedge, and confidence. That didn't help much.
Yeah, it was picked nice and clean. Yeah. The good southern twang of country music was playing on the speakers when we teed off. This was followed by Don Henley's Boys of Summer, and then Rat.
We never knew what song was coming next, which felt very similar to our golf.
Come down the hill. Oh!
You were 7.
The vibes here are unreal. Relaxed, fun, no pressure.
It was a brisk November afternoon, barely hitting 50 degrees, but with perfect sunshine.
Great shot. The course was in fantastic shape. The greens were huge, yet tiny at the same time.
Didn't break it, huh?
Didn't break at all. Knock it in.
How do you like the greens?
Like it so far. That's tough. There's a lot of movement.
Everyone who knows me or who goes with me knows that I'm not a big putter fan. I don't like putting. I love to, hit it. And this golf course, the Cradle, is so hard for me. It's amazing.
Oh, that almost went in.
Das gibt's doch nicht.
Did it roll off?
Yes.
You're kidding.
This is too hard for a not good player.
This is really hard.
Huh?
This is really hard.
We have to admit, we found the Cradle really difficult. And there it rolls off. See?
These are yardages that we would never leave ourselves. Not on purpose, anyway. I just don't have a 59-yard go-to shot in my game. At all. Nice.
But we would play it again in a heartbeat.
And next time, we'll play way more to the slopes and way less to the distance. That's part of the magic here.
After the round, we grabbed a Coke and sat in the famous Adirondack chairs.
This is where heckling and friendly wagers happen, most often at the same time.
We explored the clubhouse, and the warmth from everyone at Pinehurst completely surprised us. We really felt welcome.
Mike in the pro shop entertained us with stories from Donald Ross to Payne Stewart and all the way to Alice Cooper.
We ended the day watching with envy approach shots into 18 on Pinehurst number 2.
Pinehurst is history and fun and intimidating.
And somehow, all at the same time.
And if you're a fan of Donald Ross, you have to visit the Given Memorial Library.
Before leaving Pinehurst, we had to visit the Donald Ross archives.
We saw original course drawings, hand-sketched holes from the master himself.
If you love golf, this place is something very special.
So when you come to Pinehurst, do not skip this visit.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed our day at the Cradle, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, because you won't want to miss where we're teeing it up next.